what happens to the used water once it comes in?
So we first want to remove things that are floating.
Okay.
So bar screens are installed at the entrance of the sewage treatment plant.
Okay.
After that, we have a sedimentation tank which has an oil skimmer on top of it. So you want to remove any sort of oil and grease that's coming in the wastewater. You also want to be able to settle the larger particles that you can settle very easily with gravity.
So we settle out what we can, and then what do we do with the rest of the whatever's still in liquid?
So this is where the main biological treatment comes in. There are two main ways of going about doing it. One is where we introduce oxygen, where we give air supply. So the bacteria have oxygen. They also have, from the waste itself, a carbon source as a source of energy, really, for them to carry out their metabolic activities, for respiration. So you're able to then play with different levels of oxygen, which then supports the growth of different types of microbes, which correspond to whichever type of contaminant you're looking to remove. And what we do in the later stage is to add coagulants like alum, for example, which is great to bind with the phosphate that's there, and then it settles as secondary sludge. So after that, we really want to remove the finer particles that are there. We use two stages of filtration. One is the pressure sand filter. Essentially, it goes through different layers of sand, going from the finer sand to gravel. And then after that, once it's done, we pass it through an activated carbon filter to remove anything else. And then after that, we disinfect. So that's either through chlorination or through a combination of both.